shiny shoes next to my pink slippers. Look at that carpet. It used to be fucking vacuumed. Look at this shit. Look at this shit right here. Look at all that shit on the carpet. Look at it, look at it, look at it. I don't know why I broke into song, but it's fun. Yes, it's fun. You're not gonna see my face, 'cause I don't want you to. Okay, since you asked, I guess I'll turn it around. Hello everybody, look at my face. It's full of pimples up here, but you can't see them, ha! 'Cause my skin is something weird. I don't know what else to sing about. Look at my pillows. Look, they got stripes. I go up and down like that. 'Cause I'm cool like that. Look at this thing, it's got polka dots. Look at the tissue box, it matches. Oh, look what I got here. Breaking Dawn, oh yeah, Breaking Dawn, oh yeah. The ending of the Twilight story, Some of my friends say that the Twilight movie was awesome, and then I got other friends that say it sucks balls. But I don't know until I see it for myself. Oh yeah. Now we're going to my roommate's side of the room. She got pictures of her boyfriend, oh yeah. Of her boyfriend, oh yeah. Look at this, look at that. Look, she got a Bible in there somewhere. But who do I have on the side of my room? It's my grandma, and I'll party if I want to. It's my grandma, and I'll party if I want to. 'Cause she's so awesome, look at her. My grandma was awesome, yes she was, yes she was. But she's gone. And here's something I should read. It's more important than Twilight. It's this fucking book right here. More important than Twilight. But I haven't, 'cause they don't have anything about vampires in it. And I'm sure if they did, I would have had it read by now. What you doing? What you doing back there? It's the claw. What you doing? Tell them what you think. I'm the claw. I like to eat milk. It's a claw. It's gonna get me. Now I'm the claw.